Genesis 2:7, ERV 7. Then the Lord God took dust from the ground and made a man. He breathed the breath of life into the man's nose, and the man became a living thing. Genesis 2:7. It shows how God made humans, what we're made of, and why we're different from everything else. Below is a clean, practical breakdown grounded in the search results you triggered. Genesis 2:7, broken down step by step. 1. The Lord God took dust from the ground. This shows humanity's physical origin. We weren't spoken into existence like light, stars, or animals. God formed us intentionally, like a potter shaping clay. Dust emphasizes humility. Physically, we're made from simple material, meaning you're not physically special by material, but what comes next is what makes you special. 2. And made a man. The Hebrew word for formed means shaped with care and purpose. This is hands-on, intimate creation, not accidental, not random, meaning your existence is intentional. You were crafted, not just produced. 3. He breathed the breath of life into the man's nose. This is the key difference between humans and everything else. Animals received life, but only humans received God's own breath. This breath represents spirit, consciousness, identity, and divine connection. Meaning, your life force is not just biological, it's spiritual and God-given. 4. And the man became a living thing. Other translations say living soul or living being. This means physical body plus God's breath, a complete human. You are both earthly, dust, and spiritual, God's breath, meaning you're a blend of the natural and the divine, grounded yet God-connected. The big picture. Simple summary. Genesis 2:7 teaches that. Part, meaning. Dust, your physical side, humble, earthly, temporary. God forming, you were intentionally crafted. God's breath, your spiritual side, purpose, identity, divine connection. Living being, you are a unified whole, body, pulse spirit, sources. Why this verse matters for real life. This one verse answers 3 major questions. 1. What am I made of? A body from the earth. 2. What gives me life? God's breath, meaning your life has divine origin. 3. What does that mean for my purpose? You're not random. You're designed with intention, value, and spiritual capacity. If you want, I can also break down the difference between Genesis 1 and Genesis 2 creation, what breath of life means in Hebrew, how this connects to purpose, identity, or relationships,